Hey, this is Mrs. Blankenbeckler. This is a part of the lesson that I actually forgot to do with you guys. So this is the next day that I'm recording this when I realized I forgot to do something. So this is the second video you're watching, and the word problem I'm actually doing in the third. So this one should be really short, but I wanted to go through with you guys how to evaluate the functions when you have something like this, when they're asking you for a 3f plus g of x, and we're actually going to evaluate x, let's say, of 4. Okay, what do you do with these functions that are being added together and you've got some extra stuff in here? How do you actually evaluate them? So our f of x function is x plus 4. Our g of x function is negative 5x. How do you evaluate 3f plus g of 4? Well, the first thing you want to do, and there are two options to actually do this. I'm going to show you the way I actually prefer it. What I like to do is go ahead and simplify the equation. So I'm going to take 3 f of x functions. So I'm going to multiply my f function by 3 first. Then I'm going to add to it one g function. So plus negative 5x. So now it's just a matter of distributing. So I'm going to distribute the 3x plus, the 3 to the x plus 2. So I get 3x plus 6. And I'm going to add to it just the one g function, negative 5x. And now I'm just going to simplify this by adding my like terms. 3x minus 5x is going to be negative 2x. Bring down my constant 6. And there's my simplified function. So I've taken 3 g's and an f and combined them to simplify. Now all I have to do is evaluate it for 4. So I'm going to just plug in a 4. Negative 2 times 4 plus 6. So negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. So that means this evaluates out to negative 2. And I'm done. Okay? The other option to do this problem is to plug in 4 into each of the functions and then evaluate it. So I'm going to show you the other way. But this is my preference. This is my first choice. Okay? Let's show you the other way to do it. You can just take the 4 and plug it into the f function. Take the 4 and plug it into the g function. So let's do that first. So my f of x is equal to 4 plus 2, which is just 6. My g of x function, when I plug in 4, is going to be negative 5 times 4, or negative 20. Okay? Now, we can't forget we need to multiply my f function by 3. So I'm going to take 3 times my output plus, because I'm adding the functions together, my negative 20, because I only have one g function. So this is going to give me 18 plus negative 20, which voila, I also get negative 2. And there we go. So that's how you can work it, the second option. So hopefully this will help you guys when you do your homework, and have a great day. Watch the next part.